Hi guys, I'm just going to show you a very quick method on how to make tandoori chicken tikka in a oven using a water bath. So it's a common question that crops up. So what I've got is I've got a grill here with some foil over it. The reason I've got foil over the grill is because my chicken pieces are quite small, and then in the foil I put lots and lots and lots of holes using a knife. So there is room for the steam from the water bath to come through. So I've then got this, basically a very large pan, deep pan, full of boiling hot water. So be really careful when you transport this. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the oven on, probably gas mark 5-ish. I'll put the water bath in. And then above it, directly above it, I'm going to put this in. Now bearing in mind it's got holes in the foil, the juices are going to drip into the water, which is good because it means your oven won't get into a mess. Dish in the oven, boiling hot water, and the oven's about to get turned on. Next I'm putting another layer of foil over the top and tenting it so the hot steam from the water below will keep all the moisture in. So I'll tent it over next. So that's now been loosely tented, so tight on the sides, and then what I do is I nip it at the top like so. So it's like a tent, and then now that's going to go in the oven. There we go guys, oven's just been turned on, water bath, and there's the chicken under a tent, under hot water. So the steam will rise. It will keep the chicken nice and moist, and then toward the end of the cook we will take the foil off just to get the char on the chicken tikka, and then it should be all done guys. So I'll come back in about 20-25 minutes. So about 15 minutes have passed, and just looking there you can see, as suspected, the juice is dripping down through the holes. That's fine. Tent still sitting up. The meat looks extremely moist, lots of steam, which is good. So the mixture is obviously falling into the water bath, so good. So you don't want the oven to get messy. I'm actually not at my house, otherwise I would have had a meat thermometer, so I would have known exactly when the meat was done. If you do have one, 74 degrees internal temperature. So I'm just going to close the door now and give it another 15-20 minutes. So another 15 minutes have passed, and you can see there chicken's coming along very nicely. So I'm going to take the foil off now and then finish off. Lots of steam still coming out. There is no food colouring on this, in case anybody's wondering. Kashmiri chili powder, a little bit of paprika, and Tandoori masala. That's where the colour's from. So we'll take the tent off, last bit to char it off, and then it'll be cooked. That's what it looks like without the foil. So I'm just going to use some tongs, move them around a little bit and put it back in. So I've moved around a little bit. I've made some big holes, one there, one on the side, one on the back, one in the corner, one in the middle, and one under here somewhere. So I'm going to put it back in. I did take one piece out, just to have a look. Took it apart, and with my fingers, breaks away. It's like putty in your fingers. That's how you keep your chicken nice and moist. So the chicken's actually cooked nice and white in the middle, so it's just going to char off the ends, and then it'll be ready to serve. In case you're wondering, I've left the water bath in a few more minutes. About 10 minutes have passed, and I'm going to take it out now. Lots of little charred bits. You can keep it in longer or put it under a grill, but this is fine for me. So I'm going to take it out and serve. There's the finished product. Thanks for watching.